Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.3, Problem 18. This is Section 3.3, Problem 18. It says compute an exact answer to the problem shown. We have 288.15 minus 93.17. So as we do an addition or subtraction with numbers that have decimals, you want to make sure that the decimal points line up vertically, and they do in this case. They're ready to be subtracted. So I start with 5 minus 7. Well, the 5 is not big enough to subtract 7, so I will borrow from the digit next to it. It's a 1, and that'll bring it down to a 0, and I can write the 5 as a 15. So now 15 minus 7 is 8. And now 0 minus 1, well, the 0 is not big enough to subtract 1, so I have to borrow again. The next digit over is an 8. I will reduce it to a 7, allowing me to take 1 over and now write the 0 as a 10. Now I have 10 minus 1, that's 9. Now that decimal can come straight down. Then I have 7 minus 3 is 4. 8 minus 9, again, the 8 is not big enough to subtract 9, so I have to borrow. So I go one digit to the left, cross it off, reduce it by 1, the 2 goes down to a 1. Now the 8 can be written as an 18 now that I've borrowed. 18 minus 9 is 9, and after that 1 minus nothing under it is 1, and that gives me an answer of 194.98.